Trang An is a spectacular place, also renowned as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Meanwhile, it is often known as Halong Bay Inland, the waterway, and stunning limestone mountains here are surrounded by rice fields rather than solid land or water. It took around 2 hours via limousine bus from Hanoi to reach Trang An. First stop of the tour was to ancient capital of Vietnam, Hoa Lu. Inside got the temple of Vietnam's first ruler with his sons. Here you can view Vietnam's mystic unicorn. It looks like a dog. After this you will be served a buffet lunch. Highlight of this lunch menu will be stir-fry mutton goat, a famous dish of Ninh Binh. Next will be 2 hours small boat ride at Ninh Binh's Red River. This boat ride goes through many caves, and the scenic beauty of the limestone mountains and river is really relaxing and refreshing. Lastly, the trip ended by an hour mountain hiking to Dragon Mountain. View from the top of the mountain was amazing. You can also visit Instagram Incense Village to have a memorable photo shoot. This day tour ended by 7 p.m. and we were dropped off back to hotel by limousine bus. Hope you enjoyed this Ninh Binh day trip. Thank you for watching.